Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to solve a different type of query, and query is related to like email, how we can fetch name and domain name from the email. So we have a email, and out of this we have to find out name and domain name from this email. So now the question comes like which approach we should use for fetching the name and domain name. So before proceeding this query in the SQL, let's first understand the basics using Excel. So I have these emails, and out of this we need to extract the name and domain name. So first what I will use here, find first I will search here this symbol, and we have in Excel we have find function for basically for finding the position of the substring. So for this I will use here find. I have to find here at the red symbol and from this text. So now I got the position like at the rate in the 9th position. So I will use here left function, and then can I get name from this email. So here I will use left function, and I want to extract substring from this strings and number of characters. So basically find, it gives the number of characters. So now I got the name, I got one extra character. So for this I will use here -1. So here we have find out all the name from this email. Now we will find out domain name. So for this, what approach we will use? So for this, if I subtract, this length from the total length, so I can get this one, this domain. So for this, I will use here write function, write from this text, and for number of character, I have to subtract this this length from the total length. So here I will use length. I will find total length of this text, and I will minus length of this. So here I got domain name. Here I'll also got one extra character. So for removing this, I will use here -1. So we find out we have find out name and domain name. And same approach we can use in Excel, but in Excel instead of find function we have a function CHARINDEX. We have a function CHARINDEX. So basically this function also return the position, and the function syntax is substring, string, and start. So in this we have substring and string is required, but start this is the optional. We can use or we can't use. So let's apply this approach in the SQL also. So I will copy this function from here, and I will copy this one from also here. So basically now it will be easy to use in the SQL. So in SQL, like we have a CHARINDEX function, substring, like what you want to find out and from which you find out. So we will use this function in this. So same approach I will use here. I will use here left, and I will give my column name. Then I will use CHARINDEX. I will use CHARINDEX email as, and I will give alias name. If I execute this query, so now I got the name, and same this formula we can use for extracting the domain name. So I will use here write email and from I will find out total length of this image of this text. I will minus this left type of left text. I will minus this one from the total. So here I will find out total length minus, I will use left. Same formula we can use in the for finding the length of the left side character. So here I will use email CHARINDEX @email as, and I will give alias name domain name. Now we will check all the brackets. So so this is the output name and domain name. I hope it's clear to you, and thanks for watching. So I will put a script in the description box. So first